Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. A quick overview for the all-time history for NASDAQ. We are currently on the weekly for a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse toward the upside to finish a wave 3 in the blue count as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Inside this wave 5 in the yellow count, we also have of course an impulse towards the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And currently we are in a wave 5 and we want to finish of course this wave 5 to not be longer than your wave 3. That because your wave 1 is already longer than your wave 3, you don't want to see a wave 5 longer than your wave 3, otherwise it becomes an invalidation for this impulse. If the wave 5 overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this wave 3 to the 4, if it overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level here, meaning this is transforming to a wave 3, and therefore we have to consider this as 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to reach probably perfectly the fib level taken from the blue count for a wave 3 at 1.618, 37,600. However, we have to estimate what's gonna happen first and to see if this is gonna transform to double 1, 2 rather than just one impulse toward the upside. Let's move closer inside the daily chart. As you can see inside this channel, we are currently looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Definitely this is a correction here, where we got of course probably our wave 4. Let's move even closer on the 4-hour chart. You can see that inside this channel, we have of course this correction as A, B, and a C, and probably here a formation of a triangle in an X, meaning a W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y might still, of course, move towards these targets between the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level, 20,350 and 20,969. Your wave Y can be the several pattern as a zigzag, can be a flat, it can be a triangle even for more sideways arranging for NASDAQ in a big wave 4. Now, of course, if we take a look at the wave 2 here, the time of the wave 2, of course, has to be, of course, at least the same in your wave 4. In this case, we got the double already, so which is more than enough for a wave 4. However, we don't see any sign of strength yet for NASDAQ, unless yesterday, of course, we saw some green, but we did not break this level yet. We broke it before, but yeah, it was kind of like a fake out, and it was still looking as A, B, and a C, and a D, and a E for a triangle, and probably right now we're still, of course, moving for a lower. This price action is, of course, a little bit weird here. Yesterday, of course, we were looking for lower, and this is what we got, but after it was, jumped directly for a higher again. Now, if we take this higher price here and we consider that this was your A and then your wave B was a bigger zigzag like this, so A, B, C, probably even a D and an E can still be, of course, a range for longer. And in this case, we can call that our triangle is expanding for a longer time. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that this is not looking like an impulse. It's not nice to look like an impulse. However, it can be, of course, a leading diagonal possibly. If we are in a 1, 2, 3, you would like to see, of course, this level gets broken. You want to take those highs and even the higher high here, of course, that we have. So you want to see continuation simply toward the upside. In case we are bearish and we are in a formation of a new bearish signal here, where we want to hit, of course, this box as we said yesterday in 3 waves, where you have A, B, C here and probably another wave B. So this was your wave A, let's say, or even it can be A and then even B. So one of them is the scenario here. It doesn't matter, it's all corrective at the end for A, B, and a C. So we're still looking for this fib level for today. And probably we might, of course, move lower for these price actions here. Forming 3 waves towards the downside, 3 waves up, and probably even one more wave down to hit, of course, the perfect level for a wave Y in a W, X, and a Y. That was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.